What's up, everyone? Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm going to be fixing this door ding in this 2022 Ford F150. We start off this repair by applying heat. Because the damaged area is aluminum, that actually allows the metal to move a lot easier than your traditional steel once heat is applied to it. Then, once we get the damaged area flattened out, we actually polish the area to remove a minor scuff in the bottom of the dent. Just finishing up the repair on this door here. We're able to take all this damage out using the automotive paintless dent repair method. So no type of painting, body fillers, anything like that. Taking sharp metal tools and pushing on the backside to slowly massaging the metal back out into its original shape in order to make this vehicle dent-free again, keeping the superior factory paint finish for this 2021 with 9,000 miles on it. This repair was just done in a few hours in the afternoon. Customer dropped it off, worked it in between a few different other jobs, and we're able to get it back to them in just a few hours. If you've got similar damage shown in this video on your vehicle, or if you've got a dent you're not sure if we can fix or not, feel free to go ahead and reach us at our website, SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. All right, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.